Hi there. So you want to start with WordPress and build your first website, but you don't want to go through the hassle of purchasing an online web hosting that requires a lot of work, and at the same time you want to do it for free. A very popular solution is XAMPP server, but you don't need to go through the same technical hassle for just a simple WordPress website where you just need to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your first WordPress website in your local computer for free without any web hosting, and at the same time it's so simple yet scalable that it requires no technical knowledge at all. So let's get started. Now, in order to start using WordPress on your local computer, all you have to do is do a Google search on download flywheel, and once you do that, you will be having this website localwp.com, and all you have to do is click on it. Now here, this software is an amazing software, and it's a complete package that lets you manage multiple websites, multiple installations with a very good management platform, and the whole installation process of WordPress is quite amazing. So all you have to do is click on download for free. They'll ask you which operating system are you using, so I'll choose Windows, and I'll put on some of my details, like for example my name, last name and email, and here I'll put my phone number. That's it. I'll click on get it now, and a download link will be started. That's it, and here you can see the download is started. It will take a while to get the complete software, which is around 600 megabytes. So till then I'll wait and then start the video once I start the installation. Now, as you can see, the software download is almost getting finished. So we will open up the file, and the installation of the software will get started by the name of local setup. So now here I'm using it for myself, so I'll go ahead and install. I'll also wait further for the once installation is finished, because it's quite straightforward and there is nothing hidden steps involved, like no hidden steps at all. Now, as you can see, the installation is finished, and it's already checked that the software should run. I'll click on finish, and the software I want to use, it will get started. I'll have to just agree to the terms and conditions. I'll click on agree, and you can see here I'll just stop turning off reporting. That's it. Now it is asking me to create an account, and in case if I have to backing up my website, or I don't want to lose any backup if the data is being crashed on my computer, or if anything else happens, so everything will be safe. Now I think I don't need to create an account, because everything I can do is right here even without an account. But creating an account with them will actually just add some extra features, which is basically subjective. If you want them, you can create an account, otherwise you can just go ahead and ignore them. But anyway, you can see here right off the bat it asks you that if you want to create a new website. So I'll go ahead and click on create a new website. Now what should be my website name? It can be anything. So I'll just use Mansoor Beta as my website name, because let's say I want to test some beta features of some specific plugins on this website, because I'll have multiple websites. And if I'm gonna go ahead to advanced options, from here I can choose which domain is given to me, what's the folder for the data, or in which folder the data is going to be saved. So I'll go ahead and hide the advanced options. I'll click on continue. Now here it is asking me that the preferred version of PHP will be 7.4, and it will be this type of server. My SQL version will be 8.0 something, and that's it. If I can choose custom, if you're a developer or something that your server requirements are quite specific, you can choose custom, and you can choose whatever version you want. You can have the latest version of PHP and everything, but since it's like a very basic thing, I'll just choose preferred and click on continue. That's it. Now here it's asking me what should be my WordPress website username and password. So it's good. Since the website is going to be hosted here on my local PC and it's not going to be online, no one going to access it. So I can do is just write admin, and the password should be also like admin. This is how it should be. I'm just keeping it simple, and I can go ahead and if I want to enable a WordPress multi-site, if you know about it, you can enable it. Otherwise, you can just click on add website. I'll have to click on allow access so they can add some host file and edit some core operating system files, because that's how they are going to enable the domain in the browser actually. Now I think it's going to download WordPress, and now it's being installed. As far as I think, they are just downloading the latest version of the WordPress, and the installation is in process. I'll pause the video, and once the installation is finished, I'll be back. Oh, I thought it's going to take longer time, because before some time ago when I was using the software, it would take more time. But now it's done. So here I can see that the site domain is mansoor-beta.local. This is the SSL is also installed. This is the PHP version and everything installed. Database is also accessible. If I need any other tools, it's also available. But the main important part is the site domain. So there are two ways. All you can do is just click on this open site. It will directly open up the website in your browser, or I can just copy this domain and paste it inside the browser, and it will be opening the website. I'll click on paste and open it up. Oops, I think here it's now. Oh, it's not working actually. I think it would be working if I directly go ahead and click on open website. So I have to choose which one is the default browser. So let me click on it, and you can see here. That's it. That's how it works. It is actually working, and you can see mansoor-beta.local. My website is actually working. That's how you install WordPress on a local server. And I can go ahead and, like, for example, I can just type in wp-admin. It will get me to the admin of the website. I'll enter my details, and the next thing is that I'm inside the dashboard. Or I can just use the software and click on wp-admin. I'll be redirected to the WordPress dashboard. Now here it says that trust, and I can see here that the certificate is not properly installed. You can see it says not secure. So all I have to do is go to the software, click on trust, use the this is the SSL certificate is also installed now. So if I go ahead and refresh my website, I think I have to do some session refresh, and then it will work. Now the SSL certificate is going to take a little bit of time while it is being cached properly in the browser. Apart from that, our website is working perfectly fine and it's running. That's how you install WordPress inside your local computer. And if you go back to the software, you have this list. Currently I have only this one. If I click on this plus sign, I can create another website right away. That's how it works. And I can have multiple list of websites. I can disable one website and turn it on or off. That's how it works. You can see it says stop all, and once I click on stop all of the links will be disabled. I won't be able to access it again. But if I click on enable all, it will start working again. And I can also individually stop the existing website too. For example, if I don't want to view it anymore, so I can just click on stop. It will be stopped. It won't be accessible anymore. Even if I click on open website, it won't work. It will work, and at the same time the website will be started again. It's not like the button is restricted there. So yeah, it will start again once you click on open website. So that's it. I hope this helps out. Have a great day. Bye bye.